How to use the trading fee rebate voucher on Binance. Hey there, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple and effective way to use the trading fee rebate voucher on Binance. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Binance app. Ensure you're logged in to your Binance account. Tap the yellow Binance logo with a diamond design at the top left corner. Step 2. Navigate to the Rewards Hub. Scroll down and tap More Services under the Recommend section. Instead of browsing endlessly, simply search for Rewards Hub using the search bar. Once it appears, tap on it to enter the Rewards Hub. Step 3. Complete tasks to earn rewards. If available, Binance will display tasks such as identity verification or other simple actions. Complete these tasks to earn rewards. You can view previous tasks by selecting View Past Tasks. Step 4. Access and use vouchers. Navigate to the My Vouchers section within the Rewards Hub. If you have any vouchers available, they will be displayed here. Select the Trading Fee Rebate Voucher or any other voucher you want to use. Step 5. Activate the voucher. Tap the Use Voucher button, usually in yellow. Once activated, the voucher will be automatically applied to your trades. Step 6. Start trading. Return to the home screen and tap on the trade option at the bottom. Buy, sell, or trade your cryptocurrency. The voucher will automatically reduce your trading fees. No extra steps required. Final thoughts. That's all it takes to use a trading fee rebate voucher on Binance. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy trading!